I need some money, blank, a taxi. To a taxi, for a taxi. To and for here are conjunctions of purpose. We use them to tell the reason why I need money. To here should be followed by a verb, and for could be followed by a noun or ing. A taxi is a noun, so the answer is for. I need some money for a taxi, not to a taxi. You could say to take a taxi, because to needs a verb, like take here. I'm trying, blank, sleeping, sleep, to sleep. What comes after trying? Remember guys, the verbs try, want, need, hope, plan, these verbs are followed by to plus the verb. So to sleep is the answer. I'm trying to sleep. I want to sleep. I need to go out. I hope to find a job. I plan to visit my uncle. Clear guys? He has blank money to buy food. No money, any money. Listen guys, no is a negative word, but it comes in a positive sentence. The verb should be positive without not. Any comes in a negative sentence. When you see not in a sentence, choose any. The verb here is has, positive verb, so we use no. He has no money, and it means he doesn't have any money. So that's the difference between no and any. We can say I have no food, which means I don't have any food. No comes with a positive verb, any comes with a negative verb, and they have the same meaning. We haven't got blank petrol in the car. Many, much. We use many with countable nouns, things we can count, like car, cars, boy, boys, pen, pens. And we use much with uncountable nouns that we cannot count, like all liquids, water, juice, milk, and powders, sugar, salt, etc. The keyword here is petrol. Petrol is a liquid, like water, juice, milk. So it's uncountable. So it takes much. We haven't got much petrol in the car. Your CV is not blank to hire you. Enough good, good enough. The word enough, does it come before the adjective or after the adjective? Well, the rule says the adjective plus enough. We say good enough. Another example, the soup is not hot enough to drink. I am not tall enough to play basketball. So enough comes after the adjective. This is the correct answer. Your CV is not good enough to hire you. I only buy things blank I really need. Who? That. We use who with people, and we use that with people or things. The keyword here is things, and things take that. So I only buy things that I really need. Person A says, I can't speak English, and person B is supposed here to say, I can't speak English too. How can he or she say that? So can I, or neither can I. Both of them mean me too. But so comes in a positive sentence, and neither comes in a negative sentence. Here we have can't with an apostrophe T, which means not, so this sentence is negative, so neither can I is the correct answer. Neither can I. He fell blank his bike. He fell down his bike, or off his bike, or below his bike. Well, the correct answer here is off. He fell off his bike. Look at this. Here you can say he was on his bike, and then here he fell off. Okay? We blank cook. There's enough food. Mustn't, don't have to. We mustn't cook means you're not allowed to cook. I'll kill you if you cook. But don't have to means not necessary. You can cook, but no need to. Here he says there is enough food in the house, so it's not necessary to cook, right? So the best answer here is you don't have to cook. Clear, guys? I blank coffee in the morning. Used to drink, used to drink, used to drink. What's the rule here? Always remember this structure, guys. Used to plus the verb. Remember the ed in used, and this is the base verb, not ing. And we use this rule to talk about a habit we were doing in the past, but we stopped at present. Here used is okay, but the ing is wrong. Here use, it's wrong. Here used, and the base verb, so this is the correct answer. I used to drink coffee in the morning. And it means I had this habit in the past. I used to drink coffee in the morning, but now I stopped this habit. This is the meaning of used to. I used to play football. This was in the past, but now I no longer play football. It takes me blank hour to get to work. And well, we need to look at the first sound in this word, hour. If this word starts with a sound like e, o, a, we use an with it. If it starts with any other sound like p, t, k, l, m, etc., use a. The word hour is kind of tricky. It starts with h, but it's silent. We don't say hour, we say hour. So it actually starts with this sound, hour, a. So we should use and with this word. It takes me an hour to get to work. Are blank your friends? This or these? We use this before singular nouns, only one friend, and we use these before plural nouns, 2, 3, 4 friends and more. Here we have friends, a lot of friends, plural, so these. Are these your friends? I'm busy, blank, the moment. In, at, on. The moment takes at the moment. And this is an expression that means now. I'm busy at the moment, means I'm busy now. This is blank, the car of John or John's car. Let me show you something. This is the car and it belongs to John. John is a person, right? So we use John's car with apostrophe s here. But if the car belongs to a thing, not a person, like for example, a house, we say the car of the house. So again, it's about the owner. If the owner is a person, write the name with apostrophe s like this. If the owner is a thing, use this structure, the car of the house. So John's with apostrophe s here is the correct answer. This is John's car. How many cars do we have? How can I answer this question? Can I say no, or none, or any? Listen guys, no here in this question should be followed by a noun. And also any should be followed by a noun. Here I should say I have no cars. No here is followed by a noun, cars. And here you can say I don't have any cars. Any and a noun here. You can't say I have no or I don't have any. You have to say no cars or any cars. But none is okay here. It comes alone without a noun. You can simply say none or I have none. You don't need a noun after it.